I'm Stephanie, and this is Jenny. We're going to be showing you guys how to microwave your corn dogs, the burritos, or the mini cinnamon strudel little stick things. Everyone's microwave is different, so just kind of feel it out and see what the timing or how long you guys should be putting. Right now we're going to do 1 minute and 30 seconds, so Jenny's going to go ahead and do it herself. So put it in the middle. And if you guys have a plastic cover thing, you guys can put it over. If not, it's fine. We don't have one, so we're going to work with what we got. Okay, close the microwave.
Close the door.
Close it. So that way you can start it. Good job. Okay, so now, okay, that's the enter button. That's what we're going to do when we start it, but we have to put the amount of time. So put 1 for 1 minute.
Right.
Press 1.
Mm-hmm.
You do it. Right here.
Do it together.
1, and then 3, 0. 1 minute 30, and then you guys are going to hit start.
Okay.
We'll just wait for a minute. So, Jenny, do you like corn dogs?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yep.
Do you like burritos better or corn dogs?
Kinda. Yeah.
So whatever you guys got in your guys' lunches, it'll probably be different next week, but I'm not quite sure if everybody got all corn dogs or just burritos. So whichever. How long is the burrito?
1 minute 30.
A minute. So each of them will be 1 minute 30. And you want to make sure that you check the middle and that the middle isn't frozen or cold still. So if you want, what I would do is either take like a fork or even bite into it just to see if it's warm or cold. And if it's cold, I would put it back in the microwave for 30 seconds. And just go by there. And I can smell it, Jenny.
Yeah.
Jenny, do you smell the corn dog?
Yeah.
Yeah, it smells good.
Do you eat it with ketchup? Or mustard?
Jenny, do you eat your corn dog with ketchup or mustard?
Mustard.
Mustard? You
Yum.
don't have any mustard,
Yeah.
but we're not gonna eat it plain. You guys can eat it with whatever. 10, 9, 8,
Countdown.
7, 6, 5, 6, 4 not. 1! Yay, it's done.
Great.
Let's check it.
Okay, take it out. And careful, it might be hot because I can see the steam. Yeah, I'll help you. Just
Yeah, it looks.
I'm gonna hand
pretty
it to
hot.
you. Hold it like this. The other hand. I think it's done. If you guys see the steam coming out of it, then it should be done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. And that's it for our corn dog.